how to add a record and quad A record for Crazy Domains products. Simply log into your account. Let's add the records for a domain itself. So if you registered your domain with Crazy Domains, press on Manage, and here find your DNS settings and press on Add Record and select a record and place the IP address. Whatever, yours will be different obviously, and then save record. Yeah, that usually is good enough, because when we add that, that's for the root domain. But for subdomain, because www is subdomain as well. So if you want to point that domain to a different IP address, then perhaps you want to cover both www and the root domain and provide the IP address. Quad A record is the same, and that will take IP version 6 address. You would put it there, okay? And then save record. That's for the domain name. I'll show you a typical Linux cPanel. Press on, so if you've got different products, this may be of help. Press on Manage. Basically, we need to find the DNS settings. Let's go to our cPanel. From here, you have your zone editor. You can add a record from here, straight from here, or you can manage, add a record using cPanel. Simply populate the details here by providing your IP address and then save record. If you want to add quad A record, you follow the same process. So whether you've got Linux hosting, virtual private server, you need to find your DNS settings to add address records for Crazy Domains products.